Hi everyone. Welcome to another Tech Tips channel. In this video, I'm going to enhance our existing CRM app to send a reminder to the attendee regarding the scheduled appointment. In the email reminder, not only reminding the date for the appointment, but also offer a quick weather update of the day. Like this. To accomplish this, we need to apply an account from the Weather API. Then, create an automation that integrates with the Weather API by webhook. Lastly, capturing the return value from the Weather API, and update the weather conditions to the attendee with the appointment email. We are using our existing CRM app to demonstrate this function. You may watch the video that we shared. The link is shared at the top right. Alright, let's start the workshop. First, apply an account from Weather API. Then log into your account, and copy the API key. Then access to the provided API tools. Paste the copied API key. Then enter the location. We may leave the other setting as default. Then click the Show Response button. This are the script that we need in AppSheet later. In AppSheet, configure the existing bot in the automation. Create the weather forecast task as shown. We may copy the URL from Weather API web. And paste. Then continue set as shown. For the name here, we may refer it from the Weather API web. Example, we would like to capture the temperature value. Then in the name, we should set it as current.tempc, which is referring this. While if we want to capture the value for condition text, then we may set like this, current.condition text. We may use the capture value with this format. and the other just leave it as default. Let's add the value into the notification task. Next, set the email reminder as shown. Alright, the bot is ready to test it. You may click the Run button here. Alright, the workshop is completed. We will end the video. Hope this video would bring you some idea of integrating webhook. See you guys in the next video. Bye.